everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as HotmessmommaMD, and on today's video, it's my first ever BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE box, okay? I've never received one of these. I sat on the waiting list forever. By the way, I'm not sponsored or affiliated with BOXYCHARM. I purchased this with my own money, and I'm crazy excited because this is valued at, I forget how much. I know it's going to be like well over $100, $200 maybe? I don't know, but this is all full-size product. It is a subscription box, but this one, unlike the regular BOXYCHARM, this one is like a quarterly, from my understanding, this is a quarterly type of box that you do receive. So if you're interested to see what I received in the December 2018 BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE box, make sure to stay tuned. But before we get into the video, please make sure to help me out and help my channel grow, or our channel grow, by giving me a big thumbs up. Feel free to share this video, share my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I will have the link down below that you can cut and paste and share it with your friends. I'm like really excited, guys. I can't even tell you guys how excited I am. Like I said, this is my first ever BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE box. And the first one that they had was absolutely wonderful. This does retail for $50. So if you're excited to see what is in the December BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE box, I need to simmer down. I really need to take a chill pill. By the way, is this not the coziest pullover ever? It's by Express. I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I do want to say that this weighs just under 4 pounds, guys. Which the typical one, I don't even think the typical BOXYCHARM box is like even a pound. I could be wrong. Maybe it's around a pound. But this is definitely a nice size. In fact, I don't want to show my address, but it does have this type of sticker back here. So I don't really know what that means. Maybe aerosol-ish stuff. Okay, let's do this. Oh, wait. Before we get into it, did I mention already this is $50? The regular box is $21. This, again, is the Luxe box, which is $50 quarterly. So it's around the same price as the FabFitFun box. So, okay, so I went ahead, I opened it. This is what's inside, making sure I'm all in frame. So the first thing that I see is this, which is like, it's huge. This is like exactly what you would see typically, only a smaller version in the regular size BOXYCHARM boxes. And then of course it's all these little different coupon discounts of everything. On the inside it says "'Tis the Season BOXYLUXE," and it looks like it's showing you everything that is in it, which again, it's just an upgraded, larger version of what you would see in the smaller ones. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh, guys. Okay, let's set this up. So the first item, oh my gosh, I do remember we did get to pick on this. It gave you a choice of this, and I forget what the other item was, but this is so cute. It is a mini size hair straightener. Comes in like a nice felt type of bag, and ooh, look at that. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. I actually think I will give it to my youngest daughter because she has shorter hair, and I think that this would be perfect for her. But that is absolutely adorable. That is so cute. Let's see who this is by. Okay, this is by PYT Mini Hair Straightener. It retails for $75. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. I know I'm talking crazy, but that's insane. That is insane. And it looks like on the back is a 30% off coupon as well. I'll try to remember to put all the coupon codes for you guys down in my description box. By the way, if you're interested in BOXYCHARM or getting on the waiting list for BOXYLUXE, I'll have my referral link down below. It's not an affiliate code. It's not a sponsored type of thing or anything like that. It's what you get when you sign up with BOXYCHARM. They give you a referral card or a referral link to give to your friends. I definitely recommend that if you are signed up for BOXYCHARM, or you use my link and sign up for BOXYCHARM, take your referral link and share it with your friends, because every single month you not only get BOXYCHARM reward charmer points that you can use to purchase items in their little charmer store, but you also, BOXYCHARM also has an item that each month it changes. And so like last month I think was the It Cosmetics It was like a moisturizer cream or something. And if someone used your referral link and signed up for BOXYCHARM, BOXYCHARM sent you and them whatever they were giving away. 1 month it was like the Dr. Brandt exfoliant, then it's like the Dr. Brandt primer. So definitely make sure to share your referral link with your friends, and if they sign up, they get something for free and you get something for free. So like I said, I'll have my referral link down below for y'all. Oh, okay, so the next item I received is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. This looks like it retails for $89, guys. Again, mind you, I only spent $50, maybe with tax like $51. But this is for fine lines, wrinkles, and let's see. Apply it every morning to dry skin. This is awesome. Who doesn't love an anti-aging product? Like, yes, please. And I'm excited. I will definitely be trying that. Like I said, $89 for that. Okay, so the next item I received. Who doesn't love Luxie brushes? Oh my gosh, this is a full, complete face set. It looks like there are eye brushes in here as well. Oh my gosh. This is freaking amazing. This retails for, this is a rose gold complete face brush set by Luxie that retails for $65. You guys, this is insane. This is insane. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I am like, what is this? Okay, this is it Spongella? Multi-use Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Okay, this retails for $20. This is a body wash infused buffer. It will clean, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. This multi-use buffer is a dermatologist tested and formulated with extracts of words I can't pronounce. Anyways. In order to get the most of this delicious smelling sponge, squeeze out the excess water after you finish using it. It retails for $20. I mean, this is in the wrapper and it smells delicious. Oh my gosh. I have seen, I think that a long time ago, FabFitFun had something like this in their boxes, and I wanted so bad to try it, but I didn't want to spend the 20 bucks for it. So, yeah, really excited to try this. Okay, so the next item I got retails for $20. This is a Tarte Glitter Lip Paint, and it's really pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at me throwing stuff down. Ooh, and it smells good. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a really nice, pretty sheer, glossy with sparkles, all different colored glitter. I feel like there's blue, pink, gold, maybe that's purpley, and it smells so good. Oh, it smells like white chocolate or something. Oh, love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So the next item I received is the Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. Oh my gosh, this is $25. It's the extreme length and volume while promoting healthier lashes. Is this mascara? Why do I smell it? It smells just like mascara. Ooh, I can't wait to try that out. This retails for $25. This box is amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm not done yet, guys. I'm not done. What is this? Okay, this I received from Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dust to Dawn. What in the world? What is this? Oh, how pretty is this? It is a blush and highlight palette. This looks like it retails for $26. You guys, this, I'm not done. I still have more items to show you guys. Again, $50. This is crazy. And I have not, you guys know, or if you don't, if you've never been with me before, I do not check out other people's BOXYCHARM, FabFitFun's, Ipsy, Sephora Place. I don't watch any of those videos till I have unboxed mine and have uploaded it for you guys. And then I start watching to see what everybody else got. So I don't even know what else other people got. Okay, so the next item I got is this Glam AF bag. Oh, it's a wristlet by Crimes of Beauty with a portable charger. It retails for $22. Shut the front door. Y'all, it's literally a charger inside of here. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome. Like I said, it retails for $22. This is what the bag looks like. Oh my gosh. You guys, I don't even own a Violet Voss palette. Like, I can't even talk. This is a Violet Voss Pro HG palette that retails for $45. Oh my gosh, absolutely amazing. This is so worth the $50. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I don't even know what this palette looks like. Who knew? Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh, this is so me. This is so me. This is the perfect me palette. Oh my gosh, this so reminds me so much of the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette too. Mixed with like the Soft Glam palette. Ah, this is beautiful. I absolutely love this box. Oh my gosh. Like, shout out to BOXYCHARM. This was absolutely amazing. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add all of this up, total up everything that I received in this bag. Holy guacamole, guys. I paid $50 for this BOXYLUXE box. The grand total of everything that came in it, which was absolutely amazing. I will use everything in here. Grand total of everything in the box, $387, guys. Like I said, this is absolutely amazing. Totally worth the $50. I say BOXYCHARM just hit it out of the park. This whole entire box was absolutely amazing. You can't beat the deal, guys. You cannot beat the deal. Like I said, if you are interested in signing up for BOXYCHARM's monthly subscription box or the BOXYLUXE box, which I don't know, I don't know if you have to be receiving both or not. Sorry guys, I'm overexcited and all knowledge just pretty much went out the window. But I will have my referral link, one of the top things listed in my description box for you guys if you are interested. Like I said, I'm pretty sure there's a wait list to get into the BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE box, but until then you can always receive a BOXYCHARM box. So I will have that referral link down below, as well as if you do sign up, you do get whatever they're giving away this month for free, and I will too. So shout out to you and thank you very much. If you decide to use my referral link and sign up for BOXYCHARM, I'm still blown away how amazing that box is. That is insane. Okay, so I want to give a notification squad shout out. If you want to be a part of the notification squad, it's very easy. Just make sure you're subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below. I couldn't think. A comment down below, hashtag notification squad, hashtag team hot mess for a chance at a shout out in a future video. Today's notification squad, a shout out does go to Samantha, is it Keo? Oh Lord Jesus, I don't know. I'm so sorry. You guys know I am the worst, absolute worst at enunciating. But thank you so much for having your notifications turned on and leaving a comment in yesterday's video. I greatly appreciate it. And like I said, if you'd like a chance at a shout out in a future video, just hit that notification bell and then hashtag Team Hot Mess down below. Don't forget I still have merch available. A link to that will be down in my description box. And as always, make sure to check my daughter Haley's channel out. Love Haley. That's also linked in the description box below. And if you want to watch some more videos, guys, feel free to click on the videos on either side of me, as well as if you click on my icon, you'll be subscribed. So until next time, my friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.